Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm sorry if the audio quality isn't as good today as it is in some of my other videos. I actually broke the microphone that I had and my new one hasn't come in yet, but I figured we would just go ahead and do this quick video today. I went to Lowe's and I was going through their discount rack of all the plants that are 50% off, and I found quite a few that don't look that great today, but I'm pretty sure that I can rehab all of them and make them all happy and healthy plants again. So first off, I got this theorium. So the first thing I'm noticing is that the soil around the base of the plant is really tight and compact. It's wet, which is probably part of why it's so compact, but it's just not breaking apart very easily. You don't want the soil around the roots to be very compact because then it's not going to get very much airflow, air circulation, and it can cause some problems for the plant. Okay, so I think I got as much soil off as I'm going to. So now I'm just going to go in and take off some of these dead leaves. So I got all the dead leaves off, so now I'm going to just put it back into this pot with some different soil. Okay guys, this is the final product of this theorium. I think it looks like a completely healthy plant. You can see that it even has a new leaf that just came in, even with the stress it was under of being at the store and not having great growing conditions. And it has new leaves that are about to unfurl. And now that it has been kind of rehabbed and is in better growing conditions, I think that these new leaves will come in fine and it'll be a perfectly healthy plant. Okay, the next plant I got is this succulent. The outer leaves are really dry and shriveled, but the center of the plant is perfectly healthy, which probably means that the roots are going to be pretty healthy. So I'm just going to check on the roots, maybe get some new soil, and take off all these old dead leaves, and then see what happens there. Okay, so I loosened all the roots out, and now I'm just going to start picking off the dead leaves. Okay, so I took a lot off of this plant. If you can see the stem showing from where I took all the dead leaves off around the base. So now I can just pot this guy back up. Okay, so here is the finished product of this guy. I am very excited about this plant. It looks so cute now. Has little pink tips at the end of the leaves. I think it's very cute. And it was very inexpensive. Okay, this is the next plant that I got. I think that it's a peperomia. I'm not entirely sure though. But the soil is extremely moist. So I have a feeling this guy is probably a little overwatered. So I'm going to go ahead and get him some fresh soil and take off all these dead leaves. Okay, so I think I got all the leaves taken off, all the dead leaves taken off. So now I'm just gonna go get some fresh soil and put it back, probably in the same pot that it came in. Next one I have is this little aloe vera plant. This plant really doesn't look all that bad. There are a few damaged leaves and it's a little dry, but that's nothing that can't be fixed. I'm just gonna maybe cut off some of the leaves and then give them some water and put them in a sunny spot. Ta-da! Good as new. Okay, this last plant is a plant that I'm extremely excited about. It's actually a plant that I did not get for myself. I got it for Wade. He always told me about how he had this plant when he was younger, but he didn't know how to take care of it, so it ended up dying. And that if he ever found one in person again, he would get it, but he didn't want to order it online because he just didn't want to. But I actually found this plant at Walmart. It is called I've heard it called a black rose succulent, and I've also heard it called a Zwartkop. But it was only like $4, so I had to get it for him. Overall, it's not too unhealthy. I can definitely tell that it's been underwatered and not getting enough sunlight. So I'm just gonna give it some fresh soil maybe, and then water it and put it in a sunny spot. So now I'll probably clean off these leaves too, because the leaves are a little dirty. But I'll just put him in some kind of cover pot and give him some sun. Alright guys, so here is another clip of all the final plants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about how to rehab a certain type of plant, definitely leave comments below and I will try to answer those questions. But I will see you guys next time. He has dirt on him now. Look at Wallace down here. Wallace.